Rodrigo Duterte.
As the International Criminal Court advances its historic case against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, human rights lawyer Katrina Conti is urging the country to take a deeper step towards justice, which is the creation of a National Truth Commission. Conti, who represents families of victims of Duterte's bloody anti-drug campaign, told reporters that while the ICC case is a landmark moment for international accountability, it's not enough to confront the full extent of atrocities committed. In an interview, Conti said, and I quote, "A truth commission would not just record what happened, it would expose why it happened, who enabled it, and how we stop it from happening again. We need to go to the root." She envisions a commission modeled on those established in post-conflict or post-dictatorship nations such as South Africa and Colombia, bodies that have laid bare historical wrongs, spurred institutional reform, and offered survivors a platform to be heard. The proposed Philippine Commission would be independent, inclusive, and grounded in national law, ideally established through legislation and bolstered by a Supreme Court ruling. Its goal? To gather testimonies not just from victims and their families, but also from those who enforced the drug war, which is the police, officials, and others who may have the knowledge or responsibility. Conti said, some may call it a reconciliation, others may call it closure, but at its heart, it's about the truth. We can't have real justice without it. She also challenged those who try to downplay the drug war's toll by disputing the numbers. Whether it's 29,000 or 30,000, it doesn't matter. Each one was a human being, a life taken without due process, a future stolen, a family broken. She emphasized that many of the victims were poor, defenseless, and forgotten, and killed in back alleys, buried without ceremony, and mourned in silence. Conti said they were the perfect victims, no lawyers, no media, just grieving families. She argued that a truth commission would give these families a platform not just in courtrooms but in the country's conscience. And importantly, it would allow for perpetrators to speak as well. She clarified that it's not about vengeance, it's about breaking the silence. If those who carried out the killings can explain how it happened, what they were told, and what they believed, they would help us understand the system that allowed it. Further, she acknowledged the process won't be easy. The emotional weight and political sensitivity of such a reckoning could divide the nation, but also heal it. She reasoned it depends on how it's designed. If the most responsible face trial, then maybe the public can accept that some truth tellers might be spared. For Conti, the end goal is not about prosecution, it's about transformation, a reckoning that goes beyond the courtroom into the fabric of society where silence is broken and truth becomes the foundation for justice. For more details on Rodrigo Duterte's case at the ICC and its impact on Philippines as a country, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.